Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're rocking Cinnamon, today's news is going to make you smile. The Linux Mint team just dropped their February 2026 monthly newsletter and they're already cooking for Linux Mint 23. The headline? A brand new, fully Wayland-native Cinnamon screensaver that's basically finished and ready for the July-August 2026 release, plus two super useful new pages in the admin tools. Let's break it all down. Linux Mint creator Clément Lefebvre announced in the February newsletter that work on the new screensaver actually started just last month. And get this, it's already prepped for Linux Mint 23, which will be based on the upcoming Ubuntu 26.04 LTS Resolute Raccoon. So yes, we're talking about the next big LTS release that millions of people will be installing in the second half of 2026. Here's the situation right now. The current Cinnamon screensaver is a standalone Python plus C plus GTK app. It works perfectly in the X11 session, but completely breaks in the Wayland session. And remember, Wayland is still marked experimental in Linux Mint 22.3. The team has said they want to promote it to stable in the next releases. That means every single piece of the desktop, including the screensaver, has to work flawlessly on Wayland. So they did what Linux Mint devs do best. They built their own solution instead of waiting for someone else. Clément explained it perfectly. The new screensaver isn't a separate process. It's Cinnamon itself handling things directly, locking the screen natively with its own toolkit and widgets. Translation: no more separate app fighting with the compositor. Cinnamon is now in full control. Biggest win? 100% native Wayland support. Whether they default to Wayland in the future or not, Clément said that's still up for debate. The option is now fully on the table. Visually it looks gorgeous, native Cinnamon styling, buttery smooth unlock animation, and it even keeps the old screensaver as a fallback for now. The old one will be removed later in 2026 once everyone's migrated. And of course it still shows all the important stuff. Battery percentage on laptops, media playback controls, on-screen keyboard, keyboard layout switcher, accessibility options, and fingerprint reader where available. It honestly feels like the lock screen we've always wanted on Cinnamon. Linux Mint 23 isn't stopping at the screensaver. Two more nice additions were confirmed. First, a brand new users page inside the administration tool called mintsysadm. You'll be able to manage accounts, change passwords, set admin rights, all in one clean, modern interface. Second, a sensors page in the system reports tool. One click and you'll see every temperature, fan speed, and voltage sensor your hardware exposes. Perfect for troubleshooting or just nerding out. Small changes? Yes. But exactly the kind of polish that makes Linux Mint the most user-friendly distro on the planet. So to sum it up, Linux Mint 23 brings a full Wayland-ready screensaver built right into Cinnamon, a proper lock screen experience on Wayland finally, a new users admin page, and a new sensors reporting page, all based on Ubuntu 26.04 LTS for rock-solid stability. This is classic Linux Mint. They see a problem that other distros ignore, and they quietly fix it better than anyone else. If you're as excited as I am for Linux Mint 23, smash that like button and let the Mint team know in the comments. Drop a comment. Are you still on X11 or have you already switched to the experimental Wayland session? Make sure you're subscribed and the bell is on. I'll have full coverage when the beta drops this summer. Thanks for watching, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.